Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with BB&T easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with BB&T, start by logging into your BB&T online banking account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Once you're logged in, navigate to the accounts section of your dashboard. Here, you can view all your different accounts in one place. Next, select the account you would like to budget for. After selecting your account, click on the Transactions tab to review your spending history. Examine your transactions carefully to identify your typical monthly expenses. Once you've reviewed your spending, categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs include rent or mortgage payments, while variable costs may include groceries and entertainment. Now, move to the budgeting tool in the menu to start creating your budget. Enter your monthly income at the top of the budgeting tool. Proceed to input your fixed expenses in the designated section. Make sure to include all necessary information for each expense. Next, add your variable expenses, ensuring you allocate realistic amounts for each category. As you input expenses, the system will automatically calculate your remaining budget. Review your budget closely to ensure you're not overspending in any category. If you find any areas where you can cut back, adjust your budget accordingly. Once you are satisfied with your budget, save your changes for future reference. Regularly revisit this budgeting tool to track your progress and make necessary adjustments. By consistently monitoring your budget, you'll gain better control over your finances. Remember to utilize BB&T's financial planning resources for further assistance. Budgeting with BB&T can help you achieve your financial goals more efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.